Beshi! Welcome back to my YouTube channel! Yes. And dahil sobrang maulan and wala naman tayong ginagawa is games. Actually, hindi naman to games. Sasagot lang tayo ng mga 8 questions na nakasulat dito. And isa-isa natin siyang bubunutin. Tapos, sasagutin natin malamang bakla. Yan. So, mga beshi, let's start na with this one. Actually, hindi ako nagsulat nito. With this one. Who is your best friend? Real best friend. Ayun o. Kita ba? Who is your real best friend? Actually, madami naman. Kaso, merong isa na until now is ganun pa din siya, hindi talaga siya nagbabago. And she is Miriam. Yeah. Her name is Miriam Estacion. Hi, Bashi. Thank you. Next question is, what is your favorite food? Favorite food? Actually, madami. Isaw and adobong pusit. And sa dessert, pizza. Yeah. Madami akong favorite na food. Oo. Next is, what is your full name? Full name. Jenaline or Jealous Divine Gomez. Yeah, Jenaline. Next. What do you want to say sa mga taong may lihim na galit sa'yo? I just want to say, bala kayo dyan. Walang pakialam sa inyo. Next is, what is your favorite song? Favorite song, madami. Pero, Enhypen song. Mahilig ako sa Enhypen song. Shout out. Tapos, sa OPM is, basta mga kanta ni Sarah G, mga ganon. Next is, what is your talent? Singing. Yun na yun. Next is, love or friendship? Friendship. Because may involved namang love sa friendship, di ba? Bakla ka. Kailangan yun. Next is, last na to. What is your favorite motivational quotes? Favorite motivational quotes is, ako talaga gumawa nito eh. Everything happens in unexpected times, and let your family your motivation, and let negative thoughts be your inspiration. Yeah. Yun lang, guys. Actually, kakunti pa talaga ang subscribers na ngayon above 90. Basta thank you sa pananood. Love you, mga Bashi.